Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to use tags on Mailchimp. Once in your Mailchimp dashboard, as you can see right here, you are going to select Audience from the menu option on the left-hand column. Then you are going to select Tags. After you have selected Tags, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you are going to select Create Tags. And by creating tags, you'll be able to group your contacts. So for example, you could tap on Create Tag in the bottom left hand corner, and then you can put in the tag name, then tap on Create. So for example, let's say you are targeting different audiences and you want to put each one under a specific name. So let's say for example, you are doing it by age. So you could have tags, for example, members under 20, and you could create a tag for that. Then members over 30, and you could create a tag for that. So whenever you're listing your contacts, when you're trying to go back to your contacts, you can put the tags to label your contacts so you can know that all of those contacts are under 20 and all of those contacts are over 30. That's basically how to use tags. Tags is a method to group or to put your contacts in better order. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.